Alright guys, we're going to give you a room tour, 7403 on the Carnival Freedom.
Welcome to our crib.
This is Sarah, as you guys know. And we went with the interior on this cruise. Kind of standard stuff here. I mean, you got your 3 closets that you start with. And we already are unpacked, as you can see. Some life jackets up there at the top. And our stuff at the bottom. And then our third.
You can see packing cubes.
We are using packing cubes, but then you can also see you do have that full-length mirror also.
Nice. Yeah.
Right there.
Here's the bathroom.
And then we have, of course, the regular bathroom that we're all used to when you do Carnival. Really not anything special, as this is the standard interior. But already, again, already used. We got into our room and just kind of started using it. And then we have our bed and the rest of the room. Now there is storage, so you have your safe. In this case, it is the slide card safe. We don't have the numbers, the buttons. And then you've got your drawers down here, which we've got the hair dryer. And then we have our, different just
Panties.
drawers. Yes.
My pants.
We have the mat, and then my stuff right there. And then we did get these too. These are great. Little hamper basket guy. Make sure you guys get one of those. It kind of fits pretty nicely.
Was from Walmart.
And then there is the fridge. I would make sure you guys do pull this out, because this keeps the door open a little bit more, and it will work better, because even though there are some vents over here on the side, it doesn't really do a great job of cooling your stuff. So with that is our room tour of 7403, I believe.
What is our...
It's 7403. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And we'll see you guys later.
See you on the high seas.